This is a test video lesson, and you're just gonna go like this, and whatever you're recording, it's gonna show there. You go to the next lesson. You touch that to scroll through it. So I go down, I talk about all that stuff. I get to the end of that. I go to this one. Okay, here we're gonna do this example. Remember to find the axis of symmetry. Okay, hey, this is gonna be your key to finding that. So make sure you know that. Whatever, just talking about whatever you want to do. I don't usually pause it, but I guess you could if you're like, oh man, I gotta look something up that I was about to do or forgot. I like just hit record again and it picks up from there.
Okay.
Again, I've never done that. I think this mutes the.
Kids and
Yeah, right. Yeah, or somebody comes walking down the street. I guess I could use that if I needed to. I guess I'd probably do pause that if I needed to. Anyway, when you're done, it's pretty straightforward. So you